Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I am going to try the underpainting makeup technique that's been really popular around the internet recently. I've seen some videos of the makeup artist Mary Phillips as well as Melissa Herkman, and I've seen other YouTubers trying this makeup technique. Today, I'm going to do my best to duplicate it and also show you my take on it. So without further ado, let's get into it. But first, we're gonna have some snacks. Okay, snack time is over. Let's get to business. We're gonna start with a bronzer, and I'm using my Tom Ford shade in Illuminate. This is very well used and it looks disgusting, but I'm gonna take a Real Techniques 301 brush and I'm gonna take some of it and start painting. So she uses bronzer before foundation, and we're gonna sculpt the face with this. I don't usually take my bronzer all the way here or contour, but since we're gonna go with foundation later on, I guess I can be a little sloppy with it. She takes the bronzer all the way towards the jaw, like this. I never put bronzer on my jaw, so this is completely new to me. And she takes it all the way right here. And then I'm gonna bronze the nose with an eyeliner brush. The next thing I'm going to do is to apply some concealer on the high points of my face and underneath my eyes. She puts right here as well. I look crazy. Okay, I'm taking my beauty blender to blend this out. And then she uses the foundation. I'll take 2 pumps of my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. She takes a fluffy brush like this. This is a Real Techniques, I can't see the number. This is a blush brush, but it's from Real Techniques. I don't know what the number is. It's totally rubbed off. But she takes the foundation with it, and then she starts applying it. Okay, that looks much better than I thought it would. Wow, it looks awesome. Let's make sure the jaw is all blended as well. The next thing I'm gonna do is to apply some highlight. I'm gonna take my beloved Champagne Pop from Becca. This is looking a lot better than I thought it would. And whatever is left on my Real Techniques 301 brush, I'm actually going to put that on my crease. Now you can use a powder blush or a cream brush. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Maybelline Cheek Heat blush. This is in the shade 15 Nude Burn. I'm going to take some of that on top of my hand. She applies the blush after the foundation. Wow, this looks great already. I can't believe the results. I didn't think it was gonna turn out like this. Now, because I'm a blush crazy person, I'm gonna apply my Wet n Wild bronzer in Mellow Wine. Is this the shade Mellow something? That's this shade. The label is totally rubbed off, but I'm gonna apply some of this. Okay, perfect. Now let's do some eyeliner. I'm using my NYX Epic Ink Liner. For my mascara, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Let's use some Fix Plus. I'm using the coconut one. Feels good. Let that air dry for a minute. For my lips, I'm going to use my NYX Nude Beige Pencil. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to use my MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Marrakesh. And I'm just gonna dab that on my lips. And at the center of my lips, I'm gonna use my Natasha Denona I Need a Nude lipstick in the shade Andrea. Let's do the brows next. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Granite. And this is the final look, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Let me zoom you in. This worked much better than I thought it would. This is crazy. Wow. What do you guys think? I think that I might try this makeup technique again to perfect it because I really enjoyed doing this. And I feel like I'm saving product. Like I use half a pump of my foundation and that's it. Alright guys, we're at the end of this video. Thank you so much for tagging along with me and trying a new makeup technique. I really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know what other contents you would like to see from me in the comments below, and let me know what you think of this makeup tutorial. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!